Imagine waking up one morning, your hands tingling like they're buzzing with static, your knees creaking with every step, and your legs feeling so weak you're not sure they'll carry you through the day. These aren't just random aches or signs of getting old. They're your body's desperate signals that something vital is slipping away. Collagen. After the age of 60, your body's natural collagen production plummets, sometimes dropping by over 30% by the time you hit 65. This isn't just a number. It's the reason your joints stiffen, your muscles weaken, and simple tasks like climbing stairs or gripping a jar become harder than they used to be. But what if I told you the solution might already be hiding in your kitchen? You don't need expensive supplements or complicated treatments. Just 8 collagen-boosting vegetables that can rebuild your strength, soothe your nerves, and bring back the confidence to move freely. One of these veggies, the third on our list, is so powerful that studies show it can repair damaged cartilage and slash nerve pain by up to 40% in just weeks. Curious? Before we dive in, let me ask, are your hands or legs feeling the strain more? And where in the world are you watching from? Drop your answers in the comments. I read every single one, and your stories inspire me to keep sharing. If this resonates with you, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. You deserve to feel strong, vibrant, and unstoppable every day. And that's why every video on this channel is carefully crafted with seniors in mind, backed by the latest research to help you thrive. Let's jump into the first vegetable, parsley. Don't underestimate this little green herb. It's a collagen-restoring powerhouse, packed with more vitamin C and vitamin K per gram than almost any other vegetable. Parsley is a must for anyone over 60, battling stiff joints, tingly hands, or wobbly legs. Your body can't make collagen without enough vitamin C, and a single bunch of parsley delivers more of it than an orange. As we age, our collagen production slows to a crawl, leaving muscles weaker and joints tighter. But parsley fights back. A 2022 study found that seniors with higher vitamin C intake had thicker collagen layers, more flexible joints, and stronger tendons, especially in sensitive spots like hands and knees. Beyond vitamin C, parsley contains apigenin, a plant compound that reduces inflammation right where collagen is formed, helping preserve what you've got. It also boosts glutathione, your body's master antioxidant, which shields your skin, cartilage, and ligaments from free radicals and toxins that speed up collagen breakdown. Plus, parsley's high chlorophyll content improves oxygen flow to your joints and muscles, speeding up recovery from strains or injuries. Adding it to your diet is simple. Sprinkle a handful on salads, soups, or roasted.
Feel older than the rest of you. Parsley isn't just a garnish, it's like medicine from your kitchen. Next up is asparagus, a true superhero for preserving and repairing the collagen that keeps your joints limber, your skin firm, and your muscles strong. After 60, you might notice your body feels more fragile. Muscles lose their grip, joints loosen, and skin sags, all because collagen production slows and connective tissues weaken. Asparagus steps in with glutathione, that master antioxidant we mentioned, which fights free radicals and protects collagen fibers at their source. A 2020 study showed seniors with higher glutathione levels had stronger bones, denser collagen, and fewer signs of tissue aging. But asparagus doesn't just protect, it rebuilds. It's rich in vitamin K, which acts like a traffic cop, directing calcium to your bones where it strengthens them, not to your joints where it can cause stiffness or nerve pain. Asparagus also delivers folate, a B vitamin crucial for DNA repair and tissue renewal, both essential for creating healthy new collagen. Its prebiotic fiber feeds your gut's good bacteria, improving absorption of collagen-building nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and magnesium. In short, asparagus quietly repairs your body's framework, making movement smoother and less painful.
Add it to your plate weekly. Steam it, roast it, or toss it in a stir-fry, and watch it work its magic. No fancy tricks needed, just real food supporting your health. Now, let's talk about seaweed. A nutrient-packed gem that supercharges your body's collagen production. Loaded with iodine, alginate, and fucoidan, seaweed stimulates fibroblasts, the cells that rebuild damaged tissue, giving your body the tools to heal from the inside out. Studies in journals like Marine Drugs and the International Journal of Biological Macromolecules show fucoidan boosts collagen, reduces inflammation, and strengthens aging tissues. Seaweed also supplies trace minerals like manganese, copper, and zinc, all critical for collagen synthesis. Its natural iodine, plant sterols, and omega-3s support your thyroid, which plays a big role in wound healing and overall health. A 2021 clinical trial found seniors taking seaweed extract had less joint pain and faster tendon repair, meaning less stiffness and better mobility. Adding seaweed is easier than you think. Sprinkle flakes into soups, salads, or smoothies, or snack on unsalted nori sheets. This coastal vegetable is a gentle yet powerful way to say goodbye to tingly hands and weak legs, rebuilding your body's foundation and keeping you moving. Next, beets might just be the lifeline your body's been craving, especially if your legs feel heavy, cold, or numb. Poor circulation is a sneaky culprit after 60, starving your tissues of oxygen and nutrients while slowing collagen production, which weakens muscles and joints. Beets are unique because their high nitrate content turns into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels, letting oxygen-rich blood flood your tissues. A 2019 study in Nutrients found seniors drinking beet juice daily saw a 21% boost in leg blood flow, improving walking endurance and quadricep strength. Beets also pack betanin, an antioxidant that fights oxidative stress, the process that ages tissues and breaks down collagen. Plus, their folate content supports tissue repair and protects collagen by reducing homocysteine, an amino acid linked to inflammation and damage. Roast beets to bring out their sweetness. Juice them for a quick boost, or add them to salads. Just avoid boiling to keep those nutrients intact. If weak, heavy legs are holding you back, beets. A 2020 study in the Journal of Cellular Physiology showed sulforaphane promotes cartilage healing, crucial for pain-free movement as you age. Broccoli is also loaded with glucosinolates, calcium, vitamin K, and vitamin C, which team up to strengthen bones, nerves, and collagen fibers. Its antioxidants reduce inflammation around nerves, easing tingling or weakness in hands and legs. Plus, broccoli's fiber stabilizes blood sugar, which is key since high blood sugar can worsen joint pain and collagen loss. Add broccoli to your meals, steam it, roast it, or toss it in a soup, and give your body a full support system to stay strong and flexible. Okra, that slimy green pod, might not be everyone's favorite, but it's a hidden gem for joint and collagen health. Its mucilage acts like a natural lubricant, cushioning joints that dry out and stiffen with age. A 2021 study in pharmaceutical biology found okra extract reduced joint inflammation and boosted collagen density in cartilage, easing aches and improving flexibility. Okra's pectin, polyphenols, and rhamnogalacturonin fight oxidative stress that damages cartilage, while its manganese, vitamin C, and vitamin K support collagen formation and bone health. Flavonoids and quercetin also protect nerves, reducing tingling or numbness. Try okra, roasted, grilled, or in a stew to unlock its benefits. It could transform your joint and nerve health in surprising ways. Spinach, with its mild flavor, is a collagen-protecting powerhouse. Its beta-carotene keeps fibroblasts active, ensuring collagen production doesn't stall. Lutein and chlorophyll clear out toxins and reduce inflammation, a major cause of collagen breakdown. Spinach is also rich in magnesium, which over 60% of seniors lack. And this mineral is vital for nerve function, muscle contraction, and collagen synthesis. A 2018 study linked higher magnesium levels to stronger connective tissues and lower rates of nerve pain conditions like carpal tunnel or sciatica. Spinach's natural nitrates boost blood flow to hard-to-reach areas like fingers, toes, and knees, easing nerve pain and stiffness. Toss it in smoothies, salads, or sauté it as a side. Spinach is a simple, powerful step to stronger hands and legs. Finally, red bell peppers are a collagen-boosting champion. Just half a cup delivers over 150% of your daily vitamin C, kickstarting the enzymes that turn protein into strong collagen fibers. A 2020 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed seniors with higher vitamin C intake had better grip strength, faster walking speed, and less inflammation. Red bell peppers capsanthin protects joints and nerves, especially in high-stress areas like wrists and knees, reducing aches and improving mobility. Eat them raw, strength, and fighting the effects of aging. Start adding them to your meals today. Maybe some roasted beets for dinner or spinach in your smoothie. And see how small changes make a big difference. If this inspired you, drop a yes in the comments to let me know. It helps me create content that supports your health journey. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to catch the next videos in this series, packed with practical tips for staying vibrant and independent. Oh, and tell me your country in the comments. I'd love to know where you're watching from. Here's to feeling strong, stable, and confident every day.